Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a makeup tutorial actually. I haven't posted one in a while, but I wanted to do something for summer that was kind of just easy and not very eyeshadow focused, but more so like the rest of the face and the lashes. So if you want to see how I achieved this natural summer glam look, then just keep on watching. So let's start with primer. I'm going to use the NYX Angel Veil Primer. It should mattify my face and make sure I don't get oily like I already am right there. So this helps with that. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in so long. I even got a new ring light. So hopefully my face looks brighter. I think it does. I am going to fill in my brows now with this Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo. I've used it before. The only downside is it does not have the spoolie. It just has the powder side and the pencil side. So I usually use a spoolie from one of my other brow pencils. I know I never really explained how to do my eyebrows, but I feel like I cheat because my eyebrows are already like thick, which I used to think was a problem growing up, but now I know that it's actually a good thing. I mean, unless you like really thin eyebrows, there's nothing wrong with that. So basically you go under, over, and define your arch how you want it. I usually have to do some lines in this area because it does get a little bit sparse. It's also helpful if your eyebrows are like threaded and or waxed. That just gives you an even better guide. So now I'm just filling it in with the powder. I'm gonna do the other one off camera so to speed things up. Alright, so the brows are a little dark and bold today, but let's move on. For now, I'm gonna go back to the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade Golden Caramel. This is like my summer tan shade. It's kind of too dark for me in the winter. I'm gonna take, everyone always goes like this, the Morphe blending sponge. I just got this at Ulta the other day for $7 hairs, which is a good price, and it blends out my foundation really nicely from what I've seen so far. So I'm just gonna do the dotting method. Sometimes I feel like when I dip, sometimes I feel like when you dip the beauty sponge right into the foundation, you kind of like waste or lose product. So that's why I did the dotting. I've already said it before, this is a great affordable drugstore foundation. Get you one, you're gonna like it. Alright, foundation's done. Let's move on to concealer. This is the first time I've used the Tarte Shape Tape on my channel. This concealer is extremely popular, if not the most popular concealer on the market. Mine is in the shade Light Medium. Something weird was going on when I first tried to use it. Like, it seems like it went on one color and then a little is supposed to go a long way, guys. See how ADD I am? I was just talking about the color. It has like a perfumey fragrance to it. Interesting. It was just sitting there, my full tube, and then I picked it back up the other night and I was like, hey, this looks good. I don't know if it's because I'm tan or what, but see, I like it. Super full coverage concealer no matter how dark your circles are. So yeah, the Shape Tape is an investment. I think it's right around 30 bucks, but it seems like it's worth it, you know? All right, let's move on and set the concealed areas with this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade light medium. Let me set the rest of my face. I'm just gonna use the same powder and just use a different, bigger brush. 'Cause I do get oily, especially if it's hot outside. I'm gonna use this contouring palette from Wet n Wild in Dulce de Leche. And I'm gonna use this brush that came in my BoxyCharm to contour. Try to get the area that is the line from the corner of your lip to the top of your ear. I'm gonna go in with something warmer to bronze up the face. Let's see what the Guerlain looks like on one side. Maybe I'll use two different bronzers. I'm not supposed to make fun of myself. So yeah, just go crazy with the bronzer. Put it all over your face. Where the sun hits your face? Or is it the high points? The jawline right quick. So I'm gonna use this pretty vulgar blush that looks like this in 18 Hush Blush. Or is it Make Them Blush? It's like a mauve. It's just like the perfect shade of pink. Or like a rose. Maybe that's the word I was looking for. A rose. So I was thinking of using the Too Faced chocolate bar palette, in which my Salted Caramel completely broke, which was one of the orangey transition shades, but I'm gonna use Milk Chocolate. And it just gives you like a really nice color in the crease. I don't want to do too much with the eyeshadow because I want it to be like simple. Start at any part of your crease and then just start swiping back and forth lightly. I'm pretty sure the lighter of a hand you use, the better blended your shadows will look. So I think I'm just gonna do a crease shade and a lid shade and then glam it up with some lashes. And I'm going to take white chocolate, which is pretty dirty, and apply it on my lid. Honestly, this won't even make like a huge difference, but it'll just brighten it up a little bit. What if I use my finger? But first, let me just line my upper lash line. I think this is my old one. Let's see if there's anything left. It is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And I'm just gonna do like a thin line on the lash line. So yeah, that'll just help cover up some of the space between my actual lashes and the falsies. And now I'm going to also apply some mascara just because it helps everything like mesh together. I will just use the Covergirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. I love my new hair length, guys. I got it cut before I went to Greece. I didn't plan for it to be this short. I just wanted to trim off any dried ends, damaged ends, but I guess she trimmed off that and it was just more than I thought. So yeah, this doesn't have to be perfect. It's literally just a coating. Alright guys, so here's the lashes. They're from Eylure and they're called Opulent Mink Effect Lashes. And I recently purchased a black lash glue so it can blend in better. It's from the brand Duo. Well, hopefully these don't look too dramatic. I do need to trim them. I'll be back. So this is what the lashes look like. They're actually not too crazy looking. They're very wispy and I actually didn't really have trouble putting them on. I'm just going to add some eyeshadow to the lower lash line, Milk Chocolate, again, Real Techniques brush. And we're just gonna add this so it doesn't look so bare down there. Should actually take like 2 seconds. One eye always looks like it has more than the other. I really can't fix it. I think it's just the way my eyes are shaped. My lower mascara first? No. First, I'm gonna line the waterline. I'm gonna use this brow highlighter from Wet n Wild. I've been using it in my waterline and I really like it. Kind of just like opens up the eye. I used to love this mascara in like high school, I think. It was like my ride or die. That's why I repurchased it, to see why I liked it so much. But I don't know if they changed the formula or something because I feel like I don't love it anymore. But I think it's definitely a good one for the lower lash line. Now it's time for the highlight. I'm just going to take the lid off because it's broken. To my Ofra Rodeo Drive. It looks so pretty. This is just a nice champagne highlight. Ofra is an online only brand, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't seen it in any stores like Sephora or Ulta, so if you're interested, check out their site. You could just Google Ofra Cosmetics. I want to highlight the inner corners with this same highlighter. And I'm also going to highlight under the brow bone. Alright, I'm gonna try this color out. It's like a little sample size from Makeup Forever. It looks like this. And I'm gonna use this lip liner in Nutmeg from NYX. Anyways, I was about to apply this lipstick. It's still creamy for as long as I've had it like sitting around. Like, I'm surprised. I'm just gonna cut out the part where I almost ripped someone's head off for opening the door. I'm gonna use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Honestly, next time I'm gonna do this before I do like my mascara and stuff because that makes sense. But anyways. Alright guys, so this is the completed summer natural glam look. I like the way it turned out and hopefully it will be easy for you to recreate. You really can just use any like brown eyeshadow. That's all I used for the eyeshadow. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. I would love to have your support, and leave me a comment, give the video a thumbs up. And let me know what you want to see next, and if you like more makeup tutorials or you like more vlogs, just give me a heads up. Alright, bye guys! How do I get rid of that without Botox? Someone let me know. Okay. If my camera stops filming, I better know. Okay, hold on.